Yeah. Good day, guys. So it's your boy Leverage Trading. Today it's going to be on a great video for a price action indicator based strategy on pocket option. Now, this strategy, I was testing some stuff and I saw it works a lot, and I want to give you an example. Now, for you to know the strategy, you need to know a little bit of price action, which is support and resistance. Once you know what is that is, you're good to go. And for those that don't know what is support, what is resistance, there are a lot of videos on YouTube currently here that you can use that for learning support and resistance. But I'm just going to quickly show you guys what is support. So um, support is low, like a area where price was not breaking, like price was just bouncing through it. The resistance is the top, the same, like opposite of support is resistance, opposite of resistance is support. So the resistance is the part where price is just playing around at the top until a breakout with a candle body break. All right, so that's the support. So also we have a trend line, um, um, support and resistance, but we're not using that. We're using just this way, this kind of support and resistance. So let me show you another example of what the support and resistance. So make sure you subscribe on this channel for more videos like this. I used to give out some free gifts on my Telegram channel, and if you sign up on the link below on Pocket Option, and you send your the first, I say the first three people that will sign up using this video, just state that you watch this current video and the title of the video, just or send the video link to and join the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel. Send the video link of this video that you're watching now to me on Telegram, and make sure you sign up with my link. Once you sign up with the link and you fill this, and you're the first three, so I'll send you $11 on your pocket option so you can start trading for free. So make sure you use my link on the link below, and follow the rules I just stated. Watch this video, send the link to me on Telegram, and make sure you join the Telegram channel. Then I'm gonna send you. And if you're the first three, I'm gonna send you. If not, don't worry. More opportunities. I can. If you're in the group, I can just state. During the weekend, I do give out randomly. All right. So, back to the video. So, as you can see, this is supports. Price was just bouncing with the wick and the body break. Boom. This is resistance. Yeah, this area price was playing around here, and yeah, you can see playing around here, and it was bouncing until a break. But with this body break, it's not bad. We'll use it. Now, how do we use this strategy? First thing first, make sure you're on the 1 minute time frame. Rule number one, make sure you're on 1 minute expiring. All right, and make sure you add to these moving averages. How do you add moving average? Just go to this point and click on moving average. Just click on it twice, and the first one should be, let's see, 50 EMA. So now 50 EMA, we use EMA, so change it to EMA. And style, you can use any color of your choice. I'm using green, and click save. And the second one, which is my yellow, we're going to be looking at let's see, what's this slow, 200 EMA. All right, so we're good to go. Now back to the video. How do we use the strategy? Simple. Now when price is below the moving average, and all the moving average are, so let me just look for a clean trend. Okay, yeah, let's use this part. So price crossed over here. You're not going to take a sell, no. So meaning green crossed yellow. So yeah, bearish. So sometimes price will retest the 50 EMA, which is, I like using blue. So let me just use blue for my EMA 50. Let's use this blue. And let's just maybe make it for 2x. so that we have a little bit of bright um, what's it called, so that this can be bright on your chart, you're not finding it difficult to see. Perfect. So now when price, the blue is below the green, which is 50 below, the 50 is below 200 EMA, meaning we are bearish. Now what you want to see is that you want to see price either retest or playing around here, not breaking it. So if price go up to this point or retesting the EMA 50, all right, EMA 50. So now what you want to look at now, you want to look at before the retest, was there any area that looks like a support? So I would use this area that looks like a support. So this area, you can just put it at the lowest points, maybe somewhere around there. Yeah. So now once price breaks here, what do? You just take once immediately price break with this thread. So price retest quickly. As it retests, you look for the, you're not going to go to this point. This area is fine because this was the last support before the retest. So you want to see like two or more um, candles that will form your support. So once you see that price break, you take your sell. You can use 2 minutes or 1 minute. All right, for this video, we're just gonna use 1 minute to explain. Like, of course, this particular trade might be a losing trade if you take a sell here after the close of this red candle because price went up, but you see it went down. Right now, this is another opportunity. Price retested here. You can see price retested here. So we're not using martingale, remember. Someone said martingale is the best on pocket option, fine, but you end up blowing faster. So this area was like the support area before the retest of the 50 EMA. So, but even if price comes above here, no issues. But as long as it didn't break the price, didn't break above here, and we're still bearish and comes back. So you look for the last support if it's for bullish trade resistance. All right, so I don't know, sometimes I do mix support and resistance, so bear with me, just try to understand what I'm trying to say. So the last area here is support. So remember, support is below, resistance is above. All right, so now this break here, either this or this, whatever, you can use two candle expiry or one, you close here for profit. Price retests. Now in this area, when it retests, any area looks like a support, say yeah. So now in this area, what we're going to use, we're not going to use the wick because there was no like here now, this area, we can use the body. If we have multiple rejection of wicks, we can use the wick. Right, but if we have the body there that are retesting close to each other and form a, like if you go to the line charts, because this is pocket option, you won't be able to see it like this, like a V shape. This air like a V shape. So price breaks it through here, and boom. So we have a trade here. Same here also. Price breaks through here and sell. I don't even see the first trade. Yeah, so we had two wins. Look at this area now. So now in this area, this area now, you can see now we have wicks on this point. So we can use the wicks or I will use the body. Why am I using this area? Because this week, this area, they all kind of retest each other. And so what will happen is this was the last area before price went above. Price came back, went back again, was playing around, coming here. I'm not going to use this area. All right, I'm just still gonna hold this because it's like the proper area, because this was the last area before price came back and break here, and you take a sell immediately for one or two as candles. Simple, right? So now price went high, so where will be the last? Now this is subjective approach. You can decide to use this or this. So which would I use? Which of the V shape would I use? So I would use this one. I would use this one. All right. So what happened here was that price. So now I would use this one, but price went, came back. Now if you use, you can use. We have like three V shape. One, two, three. So now this is that's why I say subjective. You can start to come up with a plan. You can start to use here. Fine, it failed. It came back up, and this will be the next area. It failed, or you maintain this area until maybe price breaks through it, below it. Sorry. Alright, so that we have multiple pairs. You can see that same area held. Price are just playing around all this manipulation. So this would have been the main area. You just hold and wait for price to come back. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient, right? But here is also like looks like a sell, but price did not happen here. Price went high here. This was also a good area and come back and took us for a winning trade. It went back up. It went back up. We tested. This is our next support. Break city low. Break city again, yeah, and break here, and we won the trade. Went high again, and I would use. So now for the support, I would use this area. I'll not use a wick, I'll use this area because of the retest here. But now what happened? Price went high. I hope you're learning something today. So price went high, came back, went high again, and until it changed. All right. So now when it changed, we test. So we're now looking for resistance now, not support. So this high here will be our new area for. You can see how accurate this strategy is, right? So even if you use martingale, maybe 4x martingale, I don't think you lose 4 times in a row like that with this strategy using 1x candle. So this would have been um, your break. Let's just use the V shape. All right, I'll use this side because of this wick here and this body here. They kind of align, and a break here, boom, winning trade. Price came down here. So if it came down here, as long as price did not close it, so this will be your major resistance area. So we wait until price came back here. So like with this strategy, is not really, there's no much it, the intensity is not much, but if you want the intensity, you can reduce the time frame to like 15 seconds. Don't go to the 5 seconds, because the 5 seconds candle will not be to be somehow looking awkward. All right, so you can use the 15 seconds time frame. You can use the 15 seconds time frame and use the 15 seconds expiry also. So I'm just using the 1 minute to explain, and it can work on any time frame. Yeah, this would have been a losing trade, no issues, and we test here. So the last area before the retest was here, price break, and you sold, you won a trade. Price came back here. This would be your area. I'll choose this area over this. This is more cleaner. Supports. So the break. You see how price is just, you know, this area looks like a trend line, right? This area looks like a trend line. Um, I would this I'll just use this, right? I use this. So now this was broken here. This was broken here. Remember the body break here, and we take a sell here. So it's a winning trade, and currently we have this area. So we'll be looking for price to come break this area. All right, before price came to this side, so would use this side. So I would use this side. Oh man, you can see price close in profit 543. It closed in profit. So price broke here. Why did I use a not here? Because this was a cleaner. This was the last retest. So now I'm waiting for this new one. So guys, this is interesting. So technically um about 7 winning trades, probably 2 losing trades. All right. So with a fixed risk management, targets maybe 20% um, daily or sessionally. Let me show you something. Let me pause this video and quickly show you. All right, guys, I'm back. So now let me show you something. So let's say I was trying to check. I was trying to check for. Oops. I hope this didn't close. All right, so let's say you have $100 capital. You target 20% daily for 30 days, reinvesting 100%, including weekends. Start today, 6th of October 2025. Started with $100 investment today. Your principal grew to 23,000 by the 11th month of next month. Sorry, by the 5th of next month, November 2025, you have $23,000, right? So this is how you trade. This is how you trade this. So you just target 20% of your capital daily. So I'm going to start this and see where I'm going to get to. So if you like this video, please like the video, smash the subscribe button, and comment any questions you have. And remember the offer. Make sure you send the link of this video to me on Telegram and register on Pocket Option with my link, and you get free $11 to start trading this method I just shared with you. Thank you and have a glorious nice day.